You don't need a new year. You need a new standard. Becoming unrecognizable doesn't happen through a dramatic moment. It happens through a quiet accumulation of small, repeated decisions that nobody sees, but that compound silently over months. Here is what that actually looks like. You stop waiting for motivation and build a routine that runs without it. You protect your mornings before the noise takes them. You finish what you start, even when it's imperfect and uncomfortable. You stop explaining your goals to people who aren't going where you're going. You rest without guilt and work without distraction. You stop consuming inspiration and start producing output. None of this requires a dramatic transformation. All of it requires a quiet, daily commitment to a standard that most people abandon after 2 weeks. The reason most people stay the same is not laziness. It's that they treat change as an event, something that happens when conditions are right. Conditions are never right. Change is a decision made under imperfect circumstances, repeatedly without applause. The version of you that exists in December is being decided right now, not in a grand gesture, in the next choice, and the one after that, and the one after that. Unrecognizable is not a destination. It is what happens when you stop negotiating with your own potential and start taking it seriously. Begin today, not tomorrow, today. Get the Weekplan app at weekplan.net.